In today's video, let me teach you on how to fix iPhone notifications not working. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to Notifications. Next, check if the notification is enabled or check the apps if the Allow notification is turned on or not. After doing that and you're still having the issue, then check if the Do Not Disturb is turned on. Open the Control Center by swiping down on the upper right part and turn off the Do Not Disturb. If you're still having the issue, then you can try to restart your iPhone. Restarting your device may close bugs that are running on the background that causes for your notifications to not work. If the issue persists, then go to your settings again and scroll down to General. Open it. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset button and then choose Reset All Settings in the pop-up. Enter your password and then confirm your action to reset all settings. Lastly, you can check software update and see if you aren't using the latest version of iOS yet. By updating your iPhone, it can fix bugs and other issues.